Hi! In front of me is ASUS ZenFone 10 and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this ASUS. You need to begin by opening Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Following that, type in DevCheck and download completely free app from Flare2 developer. When it's ready, open it, DevCheck device and system info. Now, thanks to it, you can learn all the information about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and even sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!